So hey guys, today is Sunday. We are going to Vietnam today. Today is our trip to Vietnam. So it's around 11:24 here in Philippines. So our flight is not until 2 o'clock. So we still have time to, I'm ready. Chris is not. So yeah, see you in Vietnam, guys. Alright, we're on our way to airport, guys. Nanay, Joylyn, and Chris. Joylyn first time to travel. We'll see how it goes. Okay. See you at the airport, guys. Airport. Okay, guys. Ginagawa yung airport. So, naka-check-in na kami. We'll see you Vietnam, Joylyn. Excited ka? First time sasakay sa aeroplano after 14 years. Okay, so we are here in the airport now, guys. We're waiting Iloilo International Airport. Waiting, guys. It's good. Hang on. Tikman mo. Masarap. Sarap siya, diba? This is more sweeter than coffee. Yeah. And we're going to board from gate number 8. Boarding na, guys. Okay, we're boarding now, guys. Joylyn is there. So we're boarding. We're in a plane now, guys. Ready to board. We got our meal. Meal. Manila na, guys. So we're inside here. We're inside, guys. We're waiting for the Philippine passport holder to come in. Manila Airport, guys. Ay, dito na kami sa loob. Dana, naghahanap ng gate namin. Alright. Asan si Carl? Yun si Carl. Alright, guys. We're boarding to Da Nang. Here, Chris, wait. We're boarding to Da Nang. Let's go. Sa aeroplano na kami, guys, going to Da Nang. Si Mau at saka si Carl. So you can open now yours. Vietnam na, guys. Ay, apat tayo magkasunod. Da Nang Airport, guys. Maulan. It's raining. So we're here now, guys, Vietnam. We're here at Da Nang, guys.
No, bag condom. The bigger one.
Bag condom.
We
Okay.
have to go out there.
Okay.
I think it's not raining.
We're going out now, guys. It's raining here in Vietnam. Okay, so we are now here, guys, in our hotel, Samdi Hotel. So there's another room. And there's her own washroom here. Look at that. It's nice. And then there's some like sitting chair there. And there's another room here with their own washroom also. Look at that. Look at that. It's so nice there. See, di ba maganda? And then there's a kitchen. So yeah, and they have another washroom here. So 3 washroom in total. And there's like, yeah, and there's a kitchen there. Yeah, so yeah, that's like our hotel here in Vietnam for one night, guys. And there's our view outside. Okay. See. It's a view from our hotel.
In here making noise. Tonight.
Oh, that's good.
Tonight.
Oh, that's good.